How important is this tag of 100 crore being the producer of the film?
Tag of 100 crores is not important. What is extremely important is people have loved the film. And that is a validation. That is what validates him as a director, as a creator. As a wife, it's the most proud moment for me. And I'm like, wow, I'm married to the right guy.
Verification mil gaya.
Sundar Si Sir has made a very emotionally strong film. I, for the first time in my career, got so much appreciation critically as well as the commercial numbers, of course, speak for itself. So, commercial cinema में ऐसा नसीब होना और ऐसा experience करना बहुत ही बड़ी बात है, even in the south.
You all actually didn't have a scene together.
No.
But you all danced together.
Yes.
Yeah.
How exciting was too
और
much.
बड़ा मजा आता है यार.
मतलब कोई ऐसा था जो एक दूसरे को सिखा रहा था स्टेप.
It's a collaborative thing, and I think for both of us, art is a collaboration. It's not a competition, and people shouldn't look at it as a competition.
नहीं, बट लोग करते हैं ऐसा. काफी लोगों के लिए कंपटीशन ही है, जो ठीक है, वो उनका नजरिया है. बट आई थिंक जब हमने साथ में काम किया है, मुझे तो ऐसा लगा है कि हम सच्ची में उस फ्रेम को अच्छा बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, उस सॉन्ग को अच्छा बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
Sundar sir, you worked with many legends. Rajnikant sir जहन में आते हैं, Kamal Haasan sir. So when you had to direct these beautiful and super talented actors, what is the one difference that you found, and what were you most grateful for?
Grateful for is, as my wife told, it's my around 29th year as a director. The most toughest job is to work with two heroines at the same time in the same movie.
Yeah. Why?
It was like that before, not anymore.
Why are you guys not fighting? What's wrong with you? What is
Evolution.
Yeah,
Species has evolved.
this? What is going on? Why are you talking good things about each other? What is this?
actually it was sort of boring for us.
Sometimes women maintaining budget is like a very different fight in itself. Were you able to maintain the budget?
Yeah, I maintained my house budget, so this is easy.
ये तो कुछ नहीं था.
Hi, I am Sundar Si.
Hello guys, I'm Rashi Khanna.
Hi, I'm Tamanna Bhatia.
And hi, this is Khushbu Sundar, and you're watching us on Bollywood Hangama.
100 करोड़ क्लब, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है यार. आज हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं 2024 की वो तमिल फिल्म जिसने पहली 100 करोड़ क्लब में ऐसे मस्त स्मूथ एंट्री मारी है. एंड वी आर सो एक्साइटेड टू सी अ पैन इंडिया रिलीज. हाय गाइस, हाउ आर यू डूइंग?
Hi, you're good.
मैं सबसे पहले सुंदर सर आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी. So, what is this obsession of palaces and ghosts? Please tell us. What happened with you once?
No, actually not once, many times. My family and my friends used to watch a lot of movies when we are having a party at home in the home theatre. And when we guys are sitting outside and talking, all the ladies and the kids used to watch some movies in the theatre.
Okay.
And I always surprised to see, every time they watch the movie, when I say the movie, I was a little shocked. Always it's a ghost movie. It's a horror movie. Till then I have a concept that ladies and kids don't like horror movie. Then only I slowly realized actually the family audience and the kids love to watch horror movies. So from that the thought for me came. Why horror movie should be always, it should be in the dark,
Yeah.
on haunted place, or on broken building or hotel like that. Why can't it be in a colorful big mansion, big palace with colorful characters like Rashi and Tamanna? Bright lights, and it's a sort of challenge also for me. Not in the dark, instead of the darkness, in the bright light. How it will be if a horror things happen or ghost comes?
Yeah.
That was a challenge like that, and that started this franchise.
So now we should be scared about the light also.
Yeah, this is
So
terrible.
less now. क्या करें हम सच्ची? But amazing. Congratulations on the 4th installment. Khushbu ma'am, I'd like to ask you this question. How important is this tag of 100 crore being the producer of the film?
Tag of 100 crores is not important. What is extremely important is people have loved the film. And that is a validation. That is what validates him as a director, as a creator. Like after 30 years of being in cinema, and you say that Sundar Si, even after 30 years, if he's producing a 100 crore club film. As a wife, it's the most proud moment for me. And I'm like, wow, I'm married to the right guy.
Verification मिल गया. Tamanna, you've always been tagged as somebody who's so versatile. ये pan India का tag आप पर हमेशा रहा है because you're always doing films from all possible region. तो घर पर एक कैलेंडर प्लान होता है कि आज कौन सा लैंग्वेज का आज शूट है, समथिंग लाइक दैट।
ऐसा ऐसा कोई रिचुअल नहीं है, बट आई फील वेरी हैप्पी बिकॉज मैं हूँ तो मुंबई से, लेकिन मेरी कर्म भूमि साउथ रही है क्योंकि मैंने अपना सारा काम वहीं पे सीखा है, वहीं पे शुरू किया है और वहीं पे स्टारडम पहली बार देखा है. सो एंड आई ऑल्सो थिंक just having loyal fan following is you know it's a very special thing. It's a special bond that you have with your fans, and I think it's very important that as time elapses you become responsible about it and you know make sure you make good work. And I feel like मैं खुद इतनी भाषाएं बात करती हूँ. I enjoy the process of shifting from one place to another because I feel like वो सभी मेरे हैं. You know, like मैं मुंबई से हूँ लेकिन मैं तमिल तेलुगु दोनों बात करती हूँ और मुझे मज़ा आता है क्योंकि वहाँ पर उनका कल्चर थोड़ा शायद मुंबई से अलग होगा, बट बहुत मज़ेदार कैरेक्टर्स प्ले करने का मौका मिलता है जो शायद थोड़े लार्जर देन लाइफ हो, लेकिन उसमें जो इमोशनल जो रस होता है वो you know it really hits a chord with masses. Because I think commercial films which are like in the genre of the horror comedy that we've made, Sundar Si sir has made a very emotionally strong film. I, for the first time in my career, got so much appreciation critically as well as the commercial numbers, of course, speak for itself. So commercial cinema में ऐसा नसीब होना और ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस करना बहुत ही बड़ी बात है इवन इन द साउथ, बिकॉज यू नॉर्मली गेट द नंबर्स और यू गेट द अप्रिसिएशन, वो साथ में नहीं आता. लेकिन इस फिल्म में साथ में आया है, इसीलिए हम बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हैं ये फिल्म को हमारे हिंदी जो दर्शक हैं उनको दिखाने के लिए, बिकॉज साउथ में इतना सारा तमिल, एक्चुअली टू बी ऑनेस्ट इट्स जस्ट द तमिल कलेक्शंस एंड वर्ल्ड वाइड कलेक्शंस that have led us to this.
And my God, what loyal fans! You've got some real loyal
Yeah,
fans.
they are
Tamanna
very
is part of a project. हम देख रहे हैं कुछ भी हो जाए.
It's amazing. Like
It's
so
beautiful.
you go and you watch and you're like, what have I ever done to deserve this kind of loyalty? So it's beautiful.
राशि, आपको बताऊं हमारे घर के यहाँ पर ना एक राशन का दुकान है, कुछ खास चल नहीं रहा है, उसका नाम अब राशि रखने वाले हैं क्योंकि आप इतने बैक टू बैक 100 करोड़ क्लब फिल्म्स, मतलब व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दैट? टेल मी.
I am very
राशि का दुकान इंस्टेड ऑफ राशन का दुकान.
I think that probably they're thinking मेरे नाम पे रखेंगे तो कुछ इनको फायदा होगा. But you know, Rashi is also money, right? Like that means that's a name for Lakshmi.
Yeah.
So I think I'm just living up to my name.
How does it feel? How does it feel, the
See,
third project?
I think numbers are definitely important because they validate the fact that the audience is actually loving the film, that they're coming to the theaters to watch it. आजकल I think ये हो गया है कि to bring people to the theaters only बहुत मुश्किल है. You know, people might see हाँ अभी ये फिल्म आ रही है, ठीक है हम OTT पे देख लेंगे. That's become the mindset for a lot of people. बहुत कम फिल्में होती हैं जो आप थिएटर में जाके देखना चाहते हैं. And I think for me, whenever a film does well commercially, it's just a validation that okay, you have made a good product at the end of the day. You know, and तमिल में especially मुझे बहुत प्यार मिला है जो मैंने इतना सोचा नहीं था, because I started with Telugu. तो I think it just validates me as an actor, yeah. और कुछ नहीं है, मतलब खुशी तो of course होती है कि जितना पैसा कमाए उतना अच्छा है. And I feel like as I think what's special about Aranmanai 4 is also the fact that it's more female led, and we also have a producer who's a female, and you know she's just backing stuff like that. And for Sundar Si sir to have written characters like that, because बहुत कम directors होते हैं जो ऐसे किरदार लिखते हैं लड़कियों के लिए. और this is also a validation for female actors कि हम भी इतने numbers rake in कर सकते हैं. So you know, don't consider us any less. And I think the fact that we are fighting for gender equality is only, I feel, ridiculous, because ये होना ही नहीं चाहिए inequality in the first place, you know. But we have to constantly fight it, and I think, I hope things become easier for women eventually. But we have a long way to go.
You all actually didn't have a scene together.
No.
But you all danced together.
Yes.
Yeah.
How exciting was
हमें बड़ा मजा आता है यार.
मतलब कोई ऐसा था जो एक दूसरे को सिखा रहा था स्टेप्स?
पहले मैं बताती हूँ, हमने एक तेलुगु फिल्म में काम किया जिसमें हमारा एक गाना था, और वो मेरी तीसरी पिक्चर थी तेलुगु में, और मैं थोड़ी नई थी, तो ऑब्वियसली तमन्ना वाज दिस अमेजिंग डांसर, शी इज नोन फॉर हर अमेजिंग सॉन्ग्स इन द इंडस्ट्री. तो आई वाज लाइक यार तमन्ना के साथ डांस करना है, और रवि तेजा हैं जो बहुत अच्छा डांस करते हैं. तो आई वाज लाइक मैं तो मर गई, आई वाज लाइक पता नहीं मुझसे होगा कि नहीं. But I have to tell you that Tamanna was so gracious at that time. अगर मुझे लगता भी था ना कि कुछ मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है या कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, she was always there like a support. So it never felt like, oh, there's one more girl next to me. There was always like, thank God there's a girl next to me, she's helping me. So जब
But yeah, it's both ways. She herself is a very, very wonderful person, and she's just I have looked at her journey from the time we did that Telugu film, from the way she looks to the way she performs to the kind of roles she's choosing. I think this is just, these are the most amazing qualities that one must have as an actor today, and she has it all.
Yeah, bilkul
And no
fuzzy
wonder
nahi
she's raking box office numbers and she's doing all of it because she deserves that and more.
But I feel like for this film especially, जब ये picture में हमारा गाना था तो कोई stress नहीं था, because I knew कि there's a lot of comfort now, and I also enjoy dancing as much as Tamanna does. Probably she enjoys it more. But I was like, chalo, it's a collaborative thing, and I think for both of us, art is a collaboration. It's not a competition, and people shouldn't look at it as a competition.
नहीं, बट लोग करते हैं ऐसा. काफी लोगों के लिए कंपटीशन ही है, जो ठीक है, वो उनका नजरिया है. बट आई थिंक जब हमने साथ में काम किया है, मुझे तो ऐसा लगा है कि हम सच्ची में उस फ्रेम को अच्छा बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, उस सॉन्ग को अच्छा बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. एंड सुंदर सी सर, व्हाट आई लव अबाउट हिम इज दैट ही हैज given us very strong parts in the movie, but we have a really glamorous song in the end, and that just goes to say that, listen, there is nothing that women can't do. And हर चीज़ नज़रिए पे ही उतर आती है, बिकॉज अगर हम जो फिल्में बना रहे हैं वही सोचें कि अरे इतने ऐसे सीरियस, मतलब ऐसे सीरियस कैरेक्टर्स को ऐसा ग्लैमरस गाना क्यों देना, बट इट्स अ कमर्शियल फिल्म, एंड इट्स अ कॉमन प्रैक्टिस टू हैव a song which is like a brand song at the end of a film. And he just, I think and he's had this consecutively in all the Aranamanai parts. Am I right?
Yeah.
All your films have a climax song, right? Which is with both the girls, because every film has had two girls.
Right.
And yeah, एक प्रथा चली आ रही है इनकी फिल्मों में, and it works, and it also brings a lot of excitement for fans to relate to the film.
Yeah.
Sundar sir, you worked with many legends. When we speak about actors, male actors, of course, Rajnikant sir zehn mein aate hain, Kamal Hassan sir. So when you had to direct these beautiful and super talented actors, what is the one difference that you found, and what were you most grateful for?
Grateful for is, as my wife told, it's my around 29th year as a director. The generation has changed a lot. Before, the toughest job is to work with two heroines at the same time in the same movie.
Yeah. Why?
It was like that before. Not anymore.
Why are you guys not fighting? What's wrong with you? What is
Evolution.
Evolution.
Species has evolved.
this? What is going on? Why are you talking good things about each other? What is this?
Yeah, actually it was sort of boring for us because we are so used to heroines fighting with each other.
No entertainment for you, sir.
No, he has, most of his films have been two heroine scripts, and I have seen him actually going through it.
But you'll at least have two heroines in a film. How many films can you say where there are two heroes of equal stature probably doing a film? They'll not do it only.
Yeah.
At least not doing it, and then doing it nicely.
Very tough to work with two heroines. Right from costume selection to the scenes to the song, even the naming of the heroines. Initially, I used to name my heroine as Indu in all my movies. Indu. So there will be fight going on between the two heroines. I should be named as Indu. Like that. So the tough days are gone now.
Khushbu ma'am, would he come home and discuss these problems with you?
Not generally, but then उनका चेहरा देख के पता लग जाता था कि he's been through some trouble with these girls on the sets.
And what was your go-to advice? Like, what was your advice to him?
No advice to him. I'm like, उनको थोड़ी देर के लिए छोड़ दो, he'll be fine. He knows how to handle them. If he can handle me, he can handle anyone.
And even I took a chance because full movie Rashi and Tamanna were cordial to each other, and luckily they don't have much of a combination. But the climax song, at least we'll have some fight. We had Khushbu and Simran in the final song. Even then, the moment they saw each other, Didi, like that, they went on.
So this is the complaint. That
Yeah.
There is no entertainment. He makes entertaining movies, but his life has no entertainment.
Yeah.
This is the true definition of horror comedy.
I don't know why people find two women fighting entertaining.
Yeah, actually, it's definitely not entertaining. Ma'am, I'd like to ask you this. Can you tell us what was the idea of the budget that was being planned for this film? And now that we are celebrating 100 crore, I'm sure it's gone way beyond.
Before she answers, I have to tell you one thing. Because after the movie is released today, only I'm seeing Rashi. From morning onwards, she's asking me how much you earned. Are you having a swimming pool full of money to swim by? So right from the morning, she's so curious about how much money they have.
I just want to know how much money they made. Because see, I am very excited.
Even the previous president, she was talking about the money matter.
I think, when it comes to budgets of a film, whichever film we make, he's very clear that, there's a particular budget and this film is going to be made on this budget. And he was very clear when we were making this film that the extra money is going to go in towards the climax because there was a lot of CG work, especially the scenes involving Tamanna and the villains and the climax. So climax was the core of the film, and he was very particular that there's a lot of CG work which needs to be created, and that's why we took a little time for the CG work. And then he said, that's area where it's going to cost a lot, and then he was very clear. But he's always been a producer's director, not because it's our own production. I always say, even every producer he has worked with as a director outside, he makes films within the budget where no producer can come back and say that I have burned my pockets. So I think that way I've been very lucky, and when it comes to the budget of the film, he's a director, he would be able to answer better rather than me saying anything.
नहीं बता दो whatever.
No, actually, everything is involved in the planning. See, in the climax sequence, there is one big Raksha statue will be there, around 160 feet tall. So we have a fight sequence there, and there's another big statue which is around 200 feet. All this is involved. So there we need we can't shoot in a 200 feet tall statue, and inside there is a lot of bamboo, all the stuff like that. So there lot of planning, CG work, previous work, storyboard, everything's there. So if we don't go without planning, even though we earned 100 crores in this movie, not we have earned, it's 100 crore collection, it won't enough for the budget. Budget would have been around 200 crores. If you see the quality of the movie, what you see in the screen, this will be much more. The budget will be much more if it's gone without any planning. So everything is planned already. The budget is distributed according to the sequences. So the movie is so grand here, but the budget was in our control.
Sometimes women maintaining budget is like a very different fight in itself. Were you able to maintain the budget?
Yeah, I maintained my house budget, so this is easy.
ये तो कुछ नहीं था.
No, but I have
Two
to
daughters
say
around.
this.
Yes.
I have to say this. I worked with Sundar Si sir before, and we did a film called Action. And I think I've had the good fortune to work with some of the most finest filmmakers of the country. I definitely think he's one of them, because the amount of technical prowess Sundar Si sir has, I don't think most people in today's times, a lot of people are attempting VFX, but Sundar Si sir has been attempting VFX when it was very primitive, when it hadn't come to a point where today everyone can use it. So people didn't even know how to use it. At that point in time, they were already using it and flourishing with it. So now the quality that they've come to, they actually understand how to use the technology, because you can have great technology and not know what to do with it. But with someone like him, you can really trust when he says there's VFX. Otherwise, when I normally hear VFX, I panic, because it is a matter of, it can go anywhere. Right?
Yeah.
Like, what if it looks fake? And today's audiences are too smart. They've seen all kinds of movies. They're watching films from every part of the world.
Correct.
So we are not going to be able to sell them something that's not up to the mark. But sir's, the pre-visualization is so good. It's probably one of the reasons why the film also is done this way.
Hi, I am Sundar Si.
Hello guys, I'm Rashi Khanna.
Hi, I'm Tamanna Bhatia.
And hi, this is Khushbu Sundar, and you're watching us on Bollywood Hangama.